Name's Rob Winfield and I'm team owner of Tag Racing. Joined forces this year with Santander Salt as well. We're just setting this new awning up from the Awning Company. We're going to be running Chris Walker on Sidecar this weekend, the first round of the British Championship, and throughout the year as well. We've had awnings off the Awning Company basically since '05 and throughout, and we've got a relationship with them because we look after the Dunlop Motorsport vehicles. So obviously they have the Awning Company awnings on as well, on all the World Championship and British Championship vehicles that we build for them. They're really good because it's flexible to put up and easy. Once the guys have put them up once, they basically know where everything is. They've got a lot of storm protection on for the high winds in the British Isles, with all the storm bars and everything. They've come on leaps and bounds. If you look after it, I think, and clean it properly and take it down and put it up properly, then I mean, we've had awnings that 10 years and they're just as good as the day they were built, really. I mean, there is various awning companies out there, but I think this one in the UK is the premier one, really, to be honest. It's good. They do what they say. They can bespokely make anything for you, or any shape, or round both sides of the truck and round the rear. Whatever your requirements, they'll suit.